My name is Erica Santola, and I'm the owner and lead ballet instructor at Tournesol Dance, a dance school I created just for grown-ups. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, how can I actually progress as an adult dancer if the only classes available to me are drop-in, all-level style classes? And this is a really common situation. Many adult ballet classes are structured as open drop-in classes, which means the class may change week to week. You might not have the same teacher every time, and sometimes the class isn't part of a larger curriculum that builds step by step. Often the teacher may even be a professional dancer coming in to teach, which can be wonderful for inspiration, but they may not always have the time to break down technique in the detailed way adult learners often need. So how do you keep progressing in that type of environment? The first thing I recommend is approaching class with the right mindset. Instead of thinking in terms of good or bad, try approaching class with curiosity, almost like a detective. Ask yourself questions like, what happens if I place my weight here instead? What happens if I engage my turnout this way? You're exploring how ballet works inside your own body rather than judging yourself. The second thing you can do is ask the teacher before class begins what the goal of the class is. Something as simple as, is there something you'd like us to focus on today? If the teacher has a plan, that gives you something very specific to pay attention to during that class. But if the class is more open-ended, I would recommend doing something different. Set your own goal before class starts. And keep it simple. Just one thing. For example, maybe your goal for the entire class is simply this. I'm going to focus on holding my arms correctly in second position, making sure the arms are supported, the elbows are lifted, and they're not drooping or collapsing. Then, throughout the entire class, no matter what combination the teacher gives you, that becomes your focus. You are practicing that one detail again and again. This creates something really important for adult learners: intentional repetition. And that's where progress actually happens. By the end of class, you can say, at the beginning, my arms looked like this, and now they look like this. That's real progress. And if you're looking for more ways to understand your training and move forward in ballet, we share a lot of educational content on our YouTube channel, Instagram, and TikTok, where we break down technique and common challenges adult dancers face. We also created something called the Ballet Body Blueprint, which helps dancers understand their unique anatomy and how ballet technique applies to their specific body. If you're interested in exploring those resources, you can find the links in our profile. And wherever you're taking class, keep dancing, keep asking questions, and stay curious. Happy dancing.